Yeah. Oh, it's
Oh, you
dead
control
man's
it.
control, huh?
Ah. Whoa.
Look at how big the counterweight is.
Wow.
You gonna take this car out?
Yeah, I want to take the picture out. For sure, we'll make
Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Well, let's see here. I'm gonna just block the plate, but I'll show him pulling out. Yo.
Dude, they're modernizing it. That's a whole new car.
So the car is coming out the elevator now. Very neat. You take a look at that. That is the shaftway for that elevator. That's cool. And they just park the cars around here. I'll take it. It's very crazy how all the these garages around here, they're literally just car elevator ones. Very cool.
So you guys are upgrading the elevators now, huh?
Yes, let me grab that one. And then when we finish that one, they go over here too.
This is really cool. Thank you.
Good.
I'm guessing that doesn't do anything.
No, anything there, yeah.
Still cool that they left it there, though.
Yeah. And that's the call system there. Take a look at this. We can watch through the windows as it goes by. You can see he controls it with the simple GAL panel. It's deadband control now. Look at this, we're just going by the windows.
The new system, that will open automatic.
Oh, yeah, when they're done.
Yeah.
Can I open the gate?
Yeah.
Definitely used to be an Otis.
Yep.
I don't think he understood what you meant when you said, "Can I open the gate?"
Nope.
Very neat.
Okay.
Anyway. Thank you. There's the camera. And we'll show what it looks like from the outside. That guy's dumping out some trash. And you can see up there is the hoistway. And that's it.